It's fine. Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear? Hello. Test, 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 test. Finished. Hello. Test. Hello. Can you hear now? I'm actually gonna start doing the paper. Okay. Solve the inequality. This thing. So I'm just gonna multiply both sides by 2. We get 3x plus 5 greater than or greater than 3 minus 8x. We're just gonna add 8x to both sides and we get 10x plus 4 greater than 2. Subtract 5. We get x greater than negative 3. With x greater than negative 3 on them. And that is our answer. Okay. Hello. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, okay. We can continue. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, I'm speaking. I don't think anyone can hear me. Okay. Hello, man. Can you hear? Stop saying hi. Stop saying hi, though. Can you hear? Hello. 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 Can you hear? Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay. No echo. I'm gonna just continue first. This is the 2021 emath paper 2, by the way. So it is given that A is equals to 2n times n minus 3k. So this is just subbing in some values. A is equals to 3 times 0.5 times 0.5 minus, I forgot that k is negative. So we have to subtract a negative. And we just plug this into our calculator. And we get 1.7. Seems about right. Okay, yeah, don't mind the popo lah. What the heck. Express k in terms of a and m. So this is just rearranging. And wait, actually I should do this from the start. 3n times n minus 3k. We're just gonna divide both sides by 2n. We get n minus 3k is equals to a over 2n. Now we just have minus 3k is equals to a over 2n minus n. And finally, k is, yeah, a negative a over 6n, sorry, minus n over 3. I should be more clear. And we get plus n over 3, sorry, the negatives cancel. Shut up, Lucky, what do you want? Oh my god, bro. Hey, no spamming, bro. I'm gonna ban you. So the equation 3x over 4 is equals to 5 over 2x plus 1 is equals to 1. So according to the okay, 3x. I'm just gonna write it out first. 1. And so good. Usually when you have to multiply by multiple things, it's a good idea to do it step by step. I thought clean, shut up. Shut up, bro. Why you keep spamming? Okay, so I'm just gonna multiply by x minus 4 first. So we get 3x plus 5 times x minus 4 over 2x plus 1. It's nothing but x minus 4. So now I'm gonna multiply by 2x plus 1. then what we get is 3x times 2x plus 1 plus 5 times x minus 4 plus 3 x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. Yeah. So now it's just, you have to expand. This is just 6x squared plus 3x plus, I'm going to bracket this for clarity, 5x minus 20. It's nothing but you have to FOIL this, so that's x times 2x, that's 2x squared, x times 1, that's plus x, minus 4 times 2, that's minus 8x, minus 4 times plus 1, that's minus 4, so we get nothing but 6x squared, 3 plus 5, that's x minus 20, it's nothing but 2x squared, plus 1 minus 8, that's minus 7x, minus 4. So we just rearrange the terms a bit. We get 4x squared plus 15x minus 16 is equal to 0. Tutorial for those of you who do not know how to use this calculator. Someone called Jaden. Someone called Jaden, bro, he needs this. Wait, I'm gonna text him real quick. Wait, man, Papa. We need this. We need this. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, Jaden. He got this calculator and he didn't know how to use it. I'm gonna teach him how to use it. Jaden. Calculator tutorial now. Oh my god, this is... By the way, if y'all wanna like follow along or have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, paging for Jaden FCY. Okay. I can just teach him later, but for now you just go to here. You go 5 polynomial, which is 2, and degree 2. And you just plug in your numbers, that's 4x squared plus 15x minus 16. Cut them. Well, it looks like we have to use the quadratic equation because the things are decimal. So it's equals to negative b, negative 15, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's 15 squared, minus 4ac, a is 4, and take note of the negative here, negative 16 is our c, which is over 2a, which is 2 times 4. So I'm just going to calculate this here real quick. It's negative 15 plus or minus the square root of 15 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 16. That's nothing but 481 over 8. So what we can do now is just plug in the x, plug it, no, not plug in the x, plug it into a calculator. X is equals to, actually you don't even have to plug it into your calculator because you already know the solution to this. So you just plug it back in here. Minus 16. Your x is equal to 0.87 dB, or x is equals to negative 4.8, 4.662 with 2 decimal places. And there we have our answer. Okay, next question. Any questions? No. Sir, yeah. Yeah, what's up, sir? What's up, Jaden? Jaden FZY over here. Yeah, can you do a tutorial on what, man? Can you do a tutorial on how to increase the brightness? Okay. Here's how you increase the brightness. So you go to shift, go to setup, and then you go all the way down. You go to contrast. Yeah, and then you just adjust up. You can decrease the brightness here, you can increase the brightness. All the way until it's like black. But normally it's just up there, I think. About, yeah. Do you know now? Jaden FZY, have I answered your question? Yeah? Shit, bro, the fucker is really tough. Let me see if I can just adjust the focus here a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, Jaden. Jaden. Have I answered your question, Jaden? Okay, I'm just gonna move on. Because you haven't responded. So. Okay. The value of fuels and lubricants exported in Singapore in 2017 was this. Oh, 90,182 million standard form. Okay, life hack. Standard form, right? Standard form. Can you do interest? Wait, bro. Okay. Standard form. So 9182. Million is just times 10 to the 6. I'm gonna do this. I already have in demo from. It's actually number format. I think it's norm. And then 1 or 2. Oh, actually, yeah, it's just like that. So this is it in standard form. I'm just gonna shift my paper a bit here and copy that down. It's 9.0223 SF times 10 to the 10 to the 10. Yeah. Okay, interest gone. Okay. Government's interest, so I guess regular interest. This is exchange rate. I need to find the interest in this paper, bro. I can't find anything. Bro, where's the interest? There's no freaking interest. What the hell, vectors? Statistic. Bro, there's no interest in this paper. I need to grab my whole ass other paper, bro. So also got no interest. So got no interest, bro. Okay, Chung phone. I mean ZF1. I can't dox you. Hello. Chongqing people have or not? Bro, can you do vector? Bro, interest or vector is just one, man. Which one you want first? You can do both at the same time. We both have. Shut up. Who are you? Are you keen out? Keen on? Can teach me how to do angle questions. Okay, yeah, sure. As soon as I can find an interest question. Because honestly, my interest also kind of weak. Especially in emath. I don't have interest in emath. Funny. No interest, bro. Okay. What like angle questions? I need to find it, bro. I got vectors. I got so many vectors. Oh, I got bearing question, you want? Don't you have the TYS? No, I don't have the TYS actually. I guess this one you want? You want this one? Midpoint general delta and you want this one? I can go through this question. It's pretty simple. Diagram 1 shows a garage and diagram 2 shows the cross section of its end. The owner needs to order new roof. Why did I underline new roof? Can use this. Okay, shaded area for his garage. The roof is represented by arc ABC. With a center O. Okay, so ABC is a circle. ACDE is a rectangle. Yeah. Okay, OFC is equal to pi over 2. I like to mentally convert radians to degrees in my head because I can't do it in radians. I can't do anything in radians, bro. Okay. The owner has these measurements. ED is equal to 8, BF is equals to 2, and CD is equals to 7. Wait, actually, I have a better position for my mic. Okay, y'all should be able to hear better now. By expressing OF in terms of R, show that R is 5. ED is equal to 8, that's labeled BF 2. CD is equal to 7, the length of the garage is 12. Do you mean the length of the garage, like this thing? I'm assuming they mean like this whole... Oh, wait. The length of the... Like the perimeter? Oh, this thing, this is the... My bad, I'm kind of dumb. If expressing OF is right here in terms of R. So radius of R. Wait, I gotta think. So OB is the radius of OF. So OF is nothing but R minus 2. Because actually this whole thing is just R. OB is R because it goes from the center to the circumference. Show that R is 5. Wait, I gotta process this. Okay, Jaden, are you watching? Jaden, I'm gonna do it again. Are you watching? Okay, Jaden, are you watching? Can you like type yes in the chat? Yeah? Can you hear also? Okay, you're watching, right? Okay. So you go shift, you go setup, right? You arrive at this screen and you see this scroll bar. You can just press the down and up keys to like scroll. You can also look through. So once you find this thing, you see contrast. You press 1. It's oh shit. You just press 1. Now you arrive at this screen. Okay, bro, I'm slowing down, Okay, you go shift, you press shift, right? You see this S, that means it's shifted. If it's not, that means it's not shifted. So then you go setup. The yellow text means you have to press shift to access it. Shut up, like, Keen, you freaking stream like you're not even a streamer, bro. Just stream. Huh? I bet you can't even stream. So you don't even have OBS, bro. Shut up. Okay, now you arrive at this screen, right, Jaden? You there? Yeah? You just navigate the contrast with the up and down keys. And you press 1 and you can like put it as dark as you want, put it as light as you want. And yeah, that's it, bro. To answer your question, can you do brightness now? I'm gonna continue this question. So show that R is 5. So what do we have? I'm assuming we need to use these ratios. Wait, that's not ratios. Shit. Bro, what the? Oh. Oh, this right triangle. Yeah, because this... I'm gonna draw a diagram. So we have O, we have F, and we have C. We know that this is a right angle. And that this OF is just R minus 2. FC is... well, it's half of ED because ED is AC and AC is a chord. AC is a chord and it's like perpendicular. So using your circle theorems, you know that this chord is perpendicularly bisected by the end by OB, the radius. Don't worry, the end is still alive. It's just like chilling. So we know that this is 4. And now we know that this, because OC also goes from the center to the circumference, we know that it's just the radius, so this is R. And now we can just form a quadratic equation. You call him a bad streamer when you ask for, yeah, Keen, can you shut up? Yeah, exactly, Keen, you is a bad person. Okay. So we have that. You know, Pythagoras theorem, you don't forget to write Pythagoras theorem because this is, I can't dox her right here. By Pythagoras theorem, we have that SOC squared is equals to nothing but OF squared plus FC squared. I'm going very slow, by the way, like, if y'all want me to speed up, just say. Because y'all are asking for a lot of stuff. I can't do it all in like such a short time because I'm going so slow. So this just means that R squared is equals to nothing but R minus 2 squared plus 4 squared. We'll draw an arrow here because I have no space. So with that, R squared is equals to, we just expand this B squared minus 2AB plus B squared. 4 plus 16. So we have that 4R is equals to 20 and R is equals to 5. Sure. Can you go right at 1:20 WPM? I'm not typing, bro. This is physical writing. It's physical. Stem and leaf diagram. Bro, I don't even know if I have stem and leaf diagram questions because like all my papers so garbage. I need to like actually find a stem and oh, I mean I have like a cumulative frequency diagram if you want that. Can help you find the interquartile range here. Prelim paper 2 question 10. Bro, prelim. I need to go find my prelim paper, bro. I like it's like under a stack of papers. This one Chengsheng on. What is that? Which one is easy? What are you talking about, Keen? The bread question? The freaking garage? This one is easy? Okay, well that's cool. Stem leaf, shut up lah. Wait, no. What's this? Bread. Yeah, bread. It looks like bread. Okay, shut up. Looks like bread. Like actually, that like tell me, bro. Tell me this doesn't look like bread. Tell me this doesn't look like bread. Looks like bread. Like you got the curve. It's a freaking like sliced bread cross section, bro. Streamer. Shut up, man. Okay, wait. I have the other freaking sample paper as well. I checked. We got stem and leaf. No stem and leaf. Don't have stem and leaf. Oh, that means this one confirm got stem and leaf, right? Don't have. You're freaking joking. Don't have. I mean, there's also this thing, like group data. That's not group actually. That's just ungroup data, but like it's in a table. Okay, freaking. I'm just gonna get my prelim paper. Okay, prelim paper 2, question 10. Question 10. Question 10. Bro, it's a freaking cumulative frequency diagram lah. What's stem and leaf? That's not a stem and leaf. Is there stem and leaf in here? There's no stem. There's no stem and leaf, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I wasn't expecting lack of types of questions to be free. Oh, 10A. Wait. Oh yeah, oh my god, you're right. Holy shit. Thank you so much, ZF1. Yeah, okay, 20S. Okay, man. Okay, so let's say we just have this. We don't, because the rest of the question is just. So let's say we have this. A is. What's A? A is 4. I'm just gonna like cancel this one, replace it for 4. Yeah. Can I even watch it? Okay, so interquartile range of stem and leaf. You just find the Q1 and the Q3. So this one have like how many things are there here? 5, 10, 15, 20. It just says right there. 20. Shut up, Lucky, stop buffering emoji me. Oh my god. Okay. So 20 students. So the Q1. It's a good idea to find the median first actually. That's like the 10th and 11th, I believe. So that should be right here. This is Q2. Okay. So it's just finding the median of like the two sides of the median, by the way, for Q1 and Q2. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. But I'm pretty sure it is. So it's just like right here. Q1 and Q2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right here. I mean Q3. So yeah, you just find the Q1 and the Q3. The Q1 here is Q1 is equals to 8 plus 14 over 2, which is, I can just write the same line. That's 11. And then Q3 is 20, it's just 20 plus 20 over 2, which is 20. So you have your IQR, it's equal to 20 minus 11, it's equal to 19. Okay, did that answer your question? You find your Q1, your Q3, which requires you to find the median. Actually, you don't have to find the median, but like it's more convenient to, because you just find the median of the two sides of the median. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you, streamer. Oh my god, finally an acknowledgement of gratitude. I'm not gonna dox my emath marks. Yeah. So the total number is even, we use the average of the two numbers. If total is, wait, actually. Yeah, so. Got this question wrong, yeah? Roast me. So basically the point of like the median and Q1 and Q2 is just, you want to like both sides to have the same amount of numbers. So let's say I had like, just an example here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For both sides to have the same number of like values, I have to use the middle one, because then both sides will have 2. Like, you get it? Whereas if I had an even number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the median would be here, because both sides have to have 3 values. Yeah. So like this one, the median would be here. So we do that. Yeah. Did that answer your question? Oh my god, don't look at that. Same for finding lower quartile. Yeah. You just like repeat the process, but like with both sides. So this one, for both sides to have the same number of numbers, you just have 1 on each side. So this would be your Q1. And then on this side, you have 2 numbers. Both sides have 1 number. So that would be your Q3. And same thing for here. You have 3 numbers on both sides. You have 3 numbers, so you have 1 number on both sides, so you take the middle number. And then same thing on the other side, just take this, both sides have 1 number. Yeah. Holy shit, I'm so monotone. I just realized I'm like actually monotone as well. Sound like Mr. Chen. Oh wait, I just doxed Mr. Chen's name. Oops. Okay, no one knows what this. There's a lot of Mr. Chens in Singapore, it's okay. Thank you, no problem. Oh shit, I can't say that on stream. Okay, that's it, I think. Okay. Back to doing whatever paper. Actually, GOM also asks for vectors, right? Yeah, GOM also asks for vectors. Okay. Yeah, sure, I'll do vectors. I have so many vector questions. Pretty sure there's one in here. No. Yeah. So the position vector of a point R is negative 4, 5. So this is a position vector, which means that the vector basically just points from the origin to the point. So like if I were to draw it out, it would be like this. This is the origin, bracket 0, 0. And then negative 4, 5. So this would be point R. And this vector would be this thing. Yeah? Which means that R is just negative 4, 5. In case y'all needed a recap, I don't think y'all do, but in case you do, there it is. Position vector of a point S is 3 minus 1, same thing. Find the vector that represents the translation from R to S. Okay, translation. So you can just use your tip to tail method. Let me draw that out. So you have a R, you have a S. Wait, hold up a second. I'll do interest after I finish this. Right. So if you have a vector like OR and OS, you can just wait. Yeah, you can just use our tip to tail method, which is just RO. It's just this vector plus this vector gives you this vector. Like physics, you know, resultant force. Is it really blurry on the stream? Holy shit, it's blurry. I think y'all can see though, right? Y'all can see just fine. Okay. Yeah, so this is just, take note that you have to reverse that direction of OR. So it's gonna be RO plus RS. RS is equal to RO plus OS. It's nothing but the negative of this vector. So if you reverse the direction, it just does the negative of the vector. So that's 4 negative 5. If you want an explanation on that, I can do a more detailed one. If you all need it. Plus 3 negative 1. And that's nothing but you just add up the thing 7 and minus 6. And that's all. So find the magnitude of RS. I mean, you already have the vector, so like, if you have this is like R and this is S, then, you know, because this is a XY coordinate system that has a right angle, this is the 7, yeah, 7 and this is 6. So this is just square root, actually I can take RS. The magnitude, this symbol represents the magnitude. Equals to the square root of 6 squared plus 7 squared. Need my calculator. 35. Okay, do we have to round up to 3SF? I'm actually not sure. I don't think we do, because this is vectors, but whatever. At least y'all know, y'all can get higher than me, I don't care. Pretty good, man. Position vector of T is K7 and ST is further than. Wait, Gom, which question do you need specifically? Like, do you need any of these? Do you want more like these things where you have to add 2 vectors together? Why search column? Because it's exact. It's exact, bro. I mean, this is not emath, but I'm pretty sure emath you also leave like that, right? Like, I think you know better than me in this because you mother. You join more people than me, right? No, my teacher tell me must what 3SF? Cannot cert. Freak, okay. Then I guess I'll run this off. Square 85. Nothing but 9.9. Wait, you have no idea what question? No, it doesn't matter. Just like request any type of question. You can like take out your old papers and see what questions you need. 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, the motos are going so loud. Like, do you need more of these? What specifically in vectors do you need? If not, I'm just gonna move on to interest. But I can't find any interest questions, bro. If you have like any example of interest question, do let me know, because I have no idea of any vector question from me. Last year? I don't have last year paper lah. What? Wait, oh, last. Bro, this is the last year paper. What do you mean? O level. You mean Sec 3? Sec 3 EOY of the year. I don't have any Sec 3 papers, man. Like, I just threw them all the way. NCHS, non-shell, puzzle question. Oh, I do have the non-shell paper. Paper 1 or paper 2? Making paper 1, bro. I don't have last year papers. Why would I have my last year papers? What puzzle question? Is it like number patterns or what? I didn't see any puzzle paper 2. This is paper 1. What puzzle question, man? I don't see no puzzle question. Oh, this one? Like number pattern? This one? Oh, okay. Yeah, this looks interesting. I'm pretty sure this question uses something we never actually learned. So, but yeah. So first thing you notice is that it's a star shape. But you can split it up into like two parts. The inside and the outside, like shown. Like this. You can split it up into an inner pentagon and an outer pentagon. And I mean outer triangles. Pink booklet also had something similar. I didn't do anything like this in the pink paper, bro. Pink booklet. Alright, so for this question, what you can notice now is that this pentagon can be further split up into like this. Of 5 regions with like equal numbers of dots. Let me make those thicker a bit. And I mean, it increases by 1 every time. If you can like visualize it, I can do this for you. So 1, 2, 3 inch section in the pentagon, right here. And the outer ones are, I mean, they're quite simple to write down, but a bit difficult to like simplify. Because it's just the sum from like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to the figure number. Because this goes up to like any number. So we can write this as fine in terms of n, right? Wait, oh. 3, you can just count, bro, I'm not doing that. So you have the inner pentagon, I'm gonna do that first, which is just 5n. Because the figure 1 had 1 in each segment, figure 2 has 2 in each segment, and figure 3 has 3 in each segment. Section, whatever. And now the outer, like star shaped things, the triangle things. It's just 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n. So this is nothing but 5, because you have 5 like triangle sections. 5 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n plus n. And actually, I don't think we learned this formula. Maybe we do, I just don't. But this is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. A bit confusing. If you want me to do the derivation, I can do it. It's actually not hard. I'll just do it right here. So if you have like, I'll use like freaking circle crosses. So you have like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot dot. Right. So the trick here is to just like take this thing and like copy it and flip it over. So you get like the same thing over here. You get shit, I really line a bit too thick. Just get, yeah, 1 plus 2 plus 3. I should like circle these just to show that like they are just for visualization. Plus 4 And like this like also continues all the way up to n. And you notice that what you have is a rectangle of side length n times n plus 1. And because like this is the same thing, the sum is just duplicated one time, you divide it by 2, and that's what you get, n times n plus 1. This is n times n plus 1. And then divided by 2, because the rectangle is 2 times the sum. So this is nothing but 5n times 5n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And it's just a matter of simplifying. Now you get 5 plus 5 divided by 2. You get 15 over 2n. Wait, I should write the n squared first. You get 5 over 2n squared plus 15 over 2n plus 5. Oh wait, yeah, that's it actually. 15 net 5 over 2n squared plus 15 over 2n. Yeah, that's the whole question actually. I'm not sure if Kin is still watching, so I'm just gonna move on from here. This is quite a typical question in these number pattern type questions. Is it possible for a figure in the sequence to have 2022 dots? Explain the answer. So what this boils down to is just this, like this whole number. Is it possible? Given that like n, because we have like figure numbers, so as to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. It can't be a decimal. So we can take advantage of the fact we can just, there's no intersection in TYLs. Oh, then L, get free. You're just bad, skill issue. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be toxic. Yeah, positive integer. Wow, how did you know? So smart. It's actually a whole number also, but okay. What the hell is positive integer? Integer is for nuts. So because we have an expression for the number of dots, we can just find n from here. 5 over 2n squared plus 15 over 2n equals to 2022. And you just solve the whole number can be negative. Shut up, bro. It's like, it's subjective. It's not very well defined. Like you can Google it, I guess. I'm not gonna like argue with that. But freak you, man. You're a freaking complex number. Okay, so you can just multiply by 2, subtract on both sides. Same thing, yeah, same thing, number is number, bro. Get 5n squared plus 15n minus 4044 20. Yeah, we can just plug that in. 5n squared plus 15n minus 4044. No whole number solutions. Okay. So we can just put like n is equals to negative 15 plus or minus the square root of 15 squared minus 5 times 5 times, sorry, running out of space, 4 over 2a, just 3 times 5, which is nothing but negative. So since I want to prove there's like not a whole number, I would rather separate the whole number and the non-whole number parts. The whole number part is here, negative 15 over 2 times 5. So that's negative 3 over 2. Plus or minus the square root of whatever this is, 15 squared minus plus 20 times 4 over 4. Plus minus square root, fucking what? Square root of 81135 over 10. Why are you solving it? Because like you have to show that it's not a whole number, right? Yeah. You have to show that's not a whole number. So S as that is actually I don't know how to phrase this. I usually just bullshit these in the exam. But wait, Sn is not a whole number. Okay, fine. Positive integer. Oh my god. N is not positive integer. And the number of dots is 2022. There is no figure with 2022 dots. And yeah, that's what I would do in the exam. I'm not sure if it's correct. It probably is. It's only 2 marks. But yeah, that's my best attempt at the question. I'm gonna move on. While another number pattern question, dots are used to make another sequence of figures that are regular polygons. The first 3 figures. Which figure in the sequence has the interior angle of 175 degrees each? No insulin. Why, you have no insulin, right? Diabetes have 175 degrees. So I'm not sure if it's in the if it's in the no, it's not. So you just have to memorize this. The formula for interior total sum of interior angles is 180 times the number of sides minus 2. I'll just write it down. So sum interior. Just check my stream. Okay. Sum of interior angles. I couldn't write that. Times n minus 2. Yeah. So to get each interior angle's value, you just divide by n, because there's n angles in the shape. Pentagon, 5 sides has 5 interior angles. Hexagon has 6 with 6 sides. So you just get 175 degrees is nothing but 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. So you just simplify this, you get 5n is equals to wait, oh shit. Yeah, 175n is equals to 180n minus 360. 5n is equals to 360 degrees. Not degrees. And n is equals to 360 divided by 5. Oh, question, unrelated question, but is it possible for mode to have 2 different numbers? Yes. Yeah, it can be 2 different numbers. If 2 numbers have like the same frequency of occurrence, like if let's say 300 and 400 both appear like 5 times in your data, then both 300 and 400 will be the mode. Yeah. That is 72. So just do this. This will satisfying. So I put both as the answers. Yo, what? I don't think they will test that. Wait, what? Which question are you doing? Is it like a specific question you have, or is it just in general? Because if just in general, I don't think they'll test that. No. There's no such thing as finding the mean of the modes. You find the mode. Like there can be two modes, but I don't think they'll test that. Usually there's only one. Like in all the emath papers I do, there's only one mode. If you have a paper that like has two modes, then just take a picture and send it to me, because I also want to know the answer. Oh, this not what's this? Why is this? Oh my god, Kino's right. Non-shell paper answer. I can't see. I can't see that. Okay. So true. Yeah, so true. So anything else? Okay, interest. I guess I'll just make up my own question. Shit, I gotta like expose my foolscap for this. Very interest. Yeah, I'll just like. I'll just dox my own foolscap. Oh my god. It's the worst time. This is the worst time for this to happen. My foolscap tall. He successfully did it without revealing what's in my foolscap. Front pages of foolscap review when? Now. Now this is S English. I don't want to do English anytime soon. Especially, it's like 2 days later, man. I can't do this. I lazy make question though, I don't. So do you write CW on street? No, shut up. Take off. I'm not writing on CW on street. What interest question you have, bro? Can just send me a picture. Yeah, just send me like a picture or something of the question. I can do this on screen. Yeah, that's so sick. So who's the 3 people? Who's the other 2 people watching? Why is there 3 watching but only 1 like? One of y'all has not liked the video. Remember to smash that like button, guys. Smash like and subscribe, ring the notification bell. Well, I did. Okay. Thank you for your support. Yeah, support. What is this? If there's a question, I'll just like show this on screen. Oh wait, bro, you like wrote on your paper. I can't unless I can dox you. Like I can't do that. But unless you want your like marks to be shown on screen. Okay. I'll just get the question first on my phone so that oh shit. Oh, that's this kind of big brain. Yeah, I have a question right here. Not sure if y'all can see. Still Ramesh bought a new car on hire purchase. He paid a... Yeah, I'm using IBIS Paint. Wait. I want to see the marks. You don't get to see the marks. He paid a down payment of $75,000. That's gonna write here. Down payment of $75,000. And paid the rest monthly installment of $900 for 7 years. Oh, wow. $900 times 7 years. Find the total amount of money. Bro, you can't do this. You got this wrong, bro. Dude, they got this wrong. How do you get this wrong? Dude, this is just 75,000, the down payment, plus monthly installment. So that's 7 times 12, 900, times 7 times 12. So if I just put this into my calculator here, should be 150,600. And you don't 3SF it because this is emath. That's the emath worksheet of interest and stuff on this stuff. What emath worksheet? I don't have any like emath worksheet because I like neglect all of them. Okay. Because the sale price of the car is 140,000. Mr. Ramesh was charged a simple interest of R per year. So original price. Our original price was 90. It's 140k. 40,000. So simple interest is P. I actually forgot. R I is equals to PRT. So our I is actually nothing but 15600 minus 140,000. Because the I in like simple interest stands for the amount that you accumulate, not the total amount. Yeah. So R percent is equals to 140,000 times R, and our T is monthly over 7 years. So that's 7 times 12. So that's the 84. So yeah, you just do the math. 150, 600. Over 84 times. I think I've picked up somebody. Oh. Why is it so small? Unless it's actually this small. Wait. I gotta check the answer because I'm. Oh yeah, it is supposed to be that small. So is this really small number? I just times that by 100 because R is in percent. So we get R is equal to 0.09013. And that should be the answer, I think. If it's not the answer, like I don't even know, bro. My interest is also okay. Imagine being a seer. Bro, I'm actually my ass getting like sear right now on the chair. It's actually pain. I can send you the interest worksheet. I don't want your interest worksheet, man. You don't even need interest. And do you still need interest? What interest do you need? Just like tell me the concept or like just send me the question. I'll tell you the concept. But I don't really need it, I think. Okay, then I guess I'll just continue doing papers. What paper to do? I don't know what paper to do. I'm sure one got it. Just put this on in case I need it again. Okay. This 2021 O-level paper 2 for emath. Elementary mathematics. Ouch. My knee. It's my pencil. If you get one question wrong, do we not get A1 anymore? Yeah, basically. Raymond. I didn't say uncle, bro. I say Raymond. Uncle Raymond. I'm gonna get cancelled for saying I don't know who Uncle Raymond is. But I don't know who Uncle Raymond is, and I'm afraid to find out. Okay. Okay, so this was we were here at the what is this kind of stuff called standard form question, index notation question. It's not really index notation, it's just standard form. Okay. Value of food exported from Singapore in 2012 is this percentage increase. So percentage increase, the formula is just, I'm gonna write it down here. It's equals to final minus initial, not original. Original also can, but over initial. Minus 100%. Just nothing but 8007 times 10 to the 6 minus 6230 times 10 to the 6 over 6230 times 10 to the 6. Don't forget your times 100%. So I just calculated this. Well, the times 10 to the 6's cancel out, so I'm not going to put them in my calculator because that's a waste of time. 6230 over 6230. We get times 100, sorry, 28.5%. That's that. Yeah, percents there already, so you don't need to put percent in the blank. I think I'll just finish up this question and then end the stream if like we have no more requests or anything, because I also need to sleep for tomorrow. It is emath tomorrow, paper 1. Or paper 2 actually, I don't know, I haven't checked. I think it's paper 1, it's paper 1 plus 4 level. Value of machinery. And will there be archive? Yes, there will be archive with live chat replay. So you can just look at this tomorrow, I guess, if you're like hella free in the morning and you have nothing to do and you don't want to study. You can. Will it be blue? What do you mean, will it be blue? Or blue archive? Oh. Oh my god, this. Okay. Okay, man. No, it will not be blue. It's just an archive. The value of machinery and exported from Singapore was this number. Hey, they never 2DP the dollar sign, bro. So garbage. Increased by 9.3%. So they want the stuff in 2017. So we just do blue archive, yeah, blue archive, bro. This equals to 2.3 times 10 to the 11 times 1 plus 9.3 over 100. You have to add 1 here because they don't ask for the increase, they ask for the new value, which means that you need to times 1 plus the increase. So that's nothing but 2.3 times 1 plus 2.15139. We have a times 10 to the 11 here. So I'm just 2.51 dollar sign. And don't forget, dollar is 2DP. So it's 2DP, not 3SF. Not 3SF, I repeat, not 3SF. So that's 2.51 times 10 to the 11. Yeah. From 2012 to 2017, the value of manufactured goods decreased 6.1%. What? Value of, okay, so they give you the final value now. So this is just the same thing as the above, but instead we replace this with an x. So we have that. I'm gonna write the fancy x because I'm gonna have to use the multiplication sign. There is 1 cent. Yeah, there is 1 cent. Wait, 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 actually, I don't actually know what to do with currency in my. I think you just 3SF it actually. I'm not about 2DP this. Actually, yeah, I'll just put 2DP just to be safe. It's the same, but you put the wrong one, you get wrong. Yeah, that's 3SF, right? It's not. Yeah, my bad, my bad. Because the number is big. But if you have like dollar like 1.01 with like nothing behind, then you have to put 2DP. Because money is in 2DP. But because this one is like 251 with 2.51. 251 with 8 zeros behind it. You just put 3SF. You don't need a 2DP because there's no like sense. There's no sense here. Screamer sad face. What screamer sad face? Why are you sad face? Colon open bracket. From 2012. Yeah, okay, wait, where was it? 1.8 times 10 to the 10. And it decreased by 6.1, so we do 1 minus 6.1 over 100. Yeah, what we get is. Okay. Whoa, I got it wrong. What am I doing? So the new value is 1.8 times 10 to the 10. So actually just like put the x in. Yeah, and then what we get is, because like it decrease from x. from X to 2017, it decreased by 6.1%, and we get 1.8 times 10 to the 10. Do you recall recurring numbers? I don't know why is the question 2SF wrong. I don't know what question I'm talking about. Do you recall recurring numbers? No, I don't. What are recurring numbers? Also don't know, man. I don't know. You mankind. What's mankind? I don't know what a mankind is, man. Actually, 9 of 1000 x is 1.8 10 to the 10. That's nothing but 1.8 divided by 1000. So we get around 1.9 times 10 to the 10. That's that. Can you man spread? Man spread can when? Never. Maybe. Crush you with my thighs ASMR. I don't know, man. I have like 5 viewers. 5 viewers with like a $2,000 ASMR mic. I don't think it's worth it, bro. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing. Jiao buys a camera in Japan costing 155k. Yeah. GST on the camera. You just send me. How's this? I don't care, bro. Oh, these kind of questions. Six-digit number of 556123. If you didn't catch that, that's your problem. Nothing funny. Nothing. I'm sorry, ZF Kwan. Nothing funny. It's a perfectly reasonable name. No? No, it's just that like Jiao is called in Chinese, you know. Yeah. That's why I laugh, because like it's a word in Chinese. It actually means something in Chinese. You know what I'm saying? You know? Can we play the stream to watch the 6-digit? Yeah, whatever. Bro, give 556123. That's my 6 digits. Okay, I need this again. Okay, here's the question. Y'all actually like see. Well, y'all actually can kind of see. Why is my stream so grainy? Is it because it's ultra low latency? Holy shit, my stream's so grainy. Okay, one more question, I'm gonna sleep because it's 9:30. I wanna stay at like 10:30, bro. So X-Men require 14 hours to assemble the car. Alright, this. So X-Men require 14 hours. Early sleeper, bro, there's a paper tomorrow and it's emath. If you make any careless mistakes, you will literally drop like 7 grades. You lose 1 mark, you go D7 instant. Actually, FR, okay. On God. When the number of men is increased by 4, so X plus 4 men. It goes to 6 hours. Assuming the men work at the same rate. Find the value of X. Okay, assuming the men work at the same rate. So if they do like freaking Y work per hour, right? One man equals to Y work per hour. Then we can just find the amount of work done for both scenarios because they are assembling the same machine. So what we get is that x times 14 is equals to x plus 4. X plus 4 times 6. So we get 8x is equals to 24. X is equals to 3. Oh. Yeah, sure enough, it's 3. The answer is 3. I didn't even realize the answer was there. Hence, find the number of machines that 14 men can assemble in 9 hours. So 14 men in 9 hours. Actually, we can just find the amount of work needed to, or like the amount of work needed to assemble one machine. So work per machine is nothing but x times 14 42. I'm still right, 42 work, no units. So wait, what was it? 14 men in 9 hours. So 14 men in 9 hours, they can do. I'm just gonna write the question here. 14 men, 9 hours. So the total work equals to 9 times 14, which is nothing but 126. And since we know the work needed to make one machine, we just divide that. Machines is equals to nothing but 126 over 42, which is 3. Wait, it's also 3. No? Wait, am I wrong? Oh, the answer is also 3. Okay. Let's find the number. Ben works as a telemarketer. 33433. 33433. He works 8 hours daily and is paid an hourly rate of $5.50. Then wait. Oh yeah, Ben is also paid 5 cents for every additional pound he makes after the first 300 daily. His total salary for 20 working days. Same rate daily. What the freak? Wait, I gotta write this down. I'm running out of space, man. Wait, so Ben is a telemarketer. So 8 hours daily. Hours per day. And like 50 per hour. Okay, so from this we can just know that like salary per day. This is just like the base. I'm gonna write this. Base salary per day is 8 times 550. I'm not gonna write it down because that's just simple. 44. Okay. And every additional call. So I'm just gonna write 300 plus n calls is equals to 0 from 0 n values. Okay, so find the total number of customers. His total salary for 20 working days is 1013. I'll just put the question. So 1013. So per day, given that he works the same rate every day, so per day he makes 1013 divided by 20 days. 50.65. So we just, I can't do an arrow because it's confusing. Yeah, we just subtract that. So extra, we find the money he makes from extra calls. Extra call money, 50.65 minus 44. Minus 44 is 6.65. So from this we can find the extra calls per day. Uh, 6.65 over 5 cents, 0.05. We get 133 calls. So the total calls per day is 133 plus 300 is equals to 433. Yeah, that's the whole question. If there's no other questions, I'm going to end the stream right now. Even if there is questions, I will not answer them because it's getting kind of late now. Okay, no more. I'll just leave it for a minute. If y'all have anything, just type in the chat. Oh, Dom asking me to end, bro. No, you're not the streamer, make your own stream. Then you can end yourself. Thanks for math help. I get F9 tomorrow. No problem, bro. At least you don't get S rank. Wait, is it just me or is my latency gonna crash again? Oh shit, my latency is gonna crash again. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream now.